It's the boat that wrecked yesterday, volume 2. Took the phone out of the little plastic thing. Seems to be getting wet anyway. I got another boat coming up on my back that's going to knock me around. Thank God it's not Captain John's boat, who we were thinking about going riding with, sailing with. It's at high tide when it crashed yesterday, so we don't know how he ended up that far up. And this guy behind me slowed down, a true seaman. It's too bad. That's a really nice boat. Oh, geez. Looks like say it looked like a chunk of the rudder was missing, but I think it's just behind a rock. Keel's all caved in.